Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs. Today we are taking a beat to chat about something that's absolutely crucial in the dropshipping world: finding the right bank account for your business. First things first, let's lay down some facts. About 70% of people across the globe prefer shopping online, and that's a lot of potential customers waiting to check out what you've got to offer. But before we dive into the online marketplace, it's essential to get our back end sorted. One of the main things to focus on here is getting the best bank account that suits your dropshipping business needs. With numerous transactions happening daily, a great bank account could be your unsung hero. So, what should you look for in a bank account for dropshipping? Let's break it down. You'd want to go with a bank that offers low transaction fees. Since dropshipping involves a lot of transactions, a bank that offers lower transaction fees can save you a bundle in the long run. Next, consider online banking facilities. You're an online entrepreneur after all. Having a bank with top-notch online facilities can help you keep tabs on your finances without the hassle. And let's not forget about customer service. Having a bank that offers excellent customer service can be a real game changer. Remember, time is money. A bank that responds quickly to your queries can help you avoid potential hurdles and keep your business running smoothly. Now, it's pretty cool to note that as of 2020, there were more than 5,000 commercial banks in the United States alone. So you've got plenty of options to choose from. But hey, don't get overwhelmed. You can contact our organization for help. Just visit legalregistration.com, or you're welcome to call our experts at 877-955-7111. Also, what's your opinion on dropshipping? Does it seem like a lucrative industry for you to get involved in? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to help your business grow and make consistent profits.